2 tablespoons of oil. Going 1 tablespoon of butter. Pepper, salt, one-third cup. Always flatten the cottage cheese when you're done. That way the liquid won't separate. Don't forget that. It's very important. With sour cream too. Back in the fridge. This is the first meal of my 3-day diet. If the 3 days goes well, then I will make homemade soup. We're doing 3 days of canned. I'll address the diet in my next video. I thought I'd just make a video about making eggs in the Farberware WOK. Yummy! Quivering whites and yellow yolks. Alright, I'm gonna eat breakfast. Thanks for joining me this Monday morning. You know what I'm gonna say? Well, what am I gonna say? Thanks for watching.